Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable custom error pages in WordPress step by step clearly. To enable custom error pages in WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section in the left sidebar. Click on the Editor option. You will see a list of theme files on the right side of the screen. Locate and click on the 404.php file. If your theme does not have a 404.php file, you can create one. To create a new file, click on Add New File if your editor permits it. Name the new file 404.php. In the 404.php file, start with a basic HTML structure. Add a title to your custom error page. You may include a friendly message informing users the page is not found. Consider adding links to popular pages, such as the home page or contact page. To enhance user experience, include a search bar for easy navigation. Once you have customized the page, click the Update File button to save changes. Next, check your website by entering a non-existent URL to see the new error page in action. If desired, repeat similar steps for other error pages, such as 500.php for server errors. Remember to maintain consistent styling with your main website for a cohesive look. After completing these steps, your custom error pages are now live. Consider periodically testing to ensure that all error pages are functioning correctly. That concludes the process of enabling custom error pages in WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.